Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the side hustles that are perfect for working moms like me who want to earn some extra cash within the constraints of their daily life of managing work and family. Either I've personally tried it or paid someone else to do it. I'll walk you through how difficult the entry barrier is, whether it fits into the busy life of a working mom, and how long is the learning curve. Number one is video editing. Video editing is a popular side hustle, especially as more content creators outsource this task. While you might hear it can be done cheaply, in reality, finding a good, reliable editor can be expensive. There's actually a high demand for skilled editors, and platforms like Fiverr and Upwork often have experienced editors charging over $100 for editing just a 10-minute video. So if you're looking to make some solid income, video editing is definitely a great option. It doesn't require you to be physically present somewhere and you can do it based on your time zone and availability. Depending on your regular 9 to 5 workload, you can increase or decrease the amount of video editing jobs you want to take. When you're just starting out, I'd recommend pricing your services competitively to attract clients and build your portfolio. Once you've got a few good reviews and recommendations under your belt, you can raise your rates and scale up to earn a good amount of money. In terms of difficulty, it's probably 2 out of 5 in my opinion. I'm editing my own videos. As I come from a tech background, I do have an edge, but I didn't know anything about editing videos and learning them did not take a lot of time. You can try online courses. I got the one on Skillshare as it had a 30-day free trial. There are other platforms you can try as most of them offer a 1-month trial option. Number 2 is YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel as a working mom is a powerful way to share your voice and connect with others. The flexibility of YouTube makes it an attractive side hustle. You can record, edit, and upload content around your schedule, whether it's early morning, late nights, or during nap times of your kids. This means you're not tied to a specific hour or location, making it adaptable to the slightly unpredictable demands of motherhood and your day job. However, growing a YouTube channel requires consistency, creativity, and a fair amount of patience. It's not just hitting the record button and posting. There's planning involved in developing ideas, filming, editing, and promoting your content. As a busy mom, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by these steps, but the key is to start small, set realistic goals, and create content that aligns with your current bandwidth. For example, rather than committing to daily uploads, you might begin with one video a week or even bi-weekly to keep things manageable. Monetization is a long journey and you have to be patient. Over time, YouTube can grow into a side income stream through ads, sponsorships, or even products and services that you offer. In terms of difficulty level, it's 3 out of 5. The act of posting videos is not particularly tough, but staying consistent requires discipline and dedication. Number 3 is investing in stock market. There's a preconceived notion that women don't invest, but honestly, I have been investing my money into stock market in the last 6 years, and I think it's one of the best decisions I've made with my disposable cash. Investing in the stock market can be an excellent side hustle for working moms because it offers flexibility, it has a potential for passive income, and the ability to grow wealth over time without requiring to be at a specific location. Unlike traditional side hustles where you often have to trade hours to make money, investing allows your money to work for you. One of the key benefits of stock market investing is that you can start small. Depending on where you are in the world, you can choose the platform and the type of stock. I have invested money in the UK and India, and there are various resources to get started. If you're in India, mutual funds is a good option, while the UK offers options like ISA, S&P 500, and regular stock. With platforms like Kuvera, Trading 212, eToro, or other online brokers, you don't need a large sum of money to begin. Even with a modest monthly contribution, you can steadily build a portfolio. The learning curve is slightly longer, but can be managed in your own time. There are countless free resources such as blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that provide tutorials and market insights. However, self-motivation and discipline are crucial. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and long-term perspective. Plus, it's essential to manage emotion and not make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuation. Over time, your investment can grow and provide a passive income stream, offering more financial freedom and security for the future. In terms of difficulty, I would rate it 3 out of 5. If you're still in two minds, there's a video I've made on why every woman should start investing. I'll put the link in the description. Number 4 is teaching an online course. If you have a skill that you can teach others, then starting an online course would be a good option. When it comes to getting started with creating an online course, I'd rate the difficulty around 2 out of 5. It's not overly challenging, but you do need some foundation skills like communication, speaking on a camera, and of course, having expertise or knowledge on what others can benefit from. The key to success is offering real value. People will only pay for your course if they are genuinely gaining something from it. The online education space has grown massively with a lot of money being invested in it. If you have a skill that's in demand, creating an online course can be one of the most rewarding ways to earn money online. It allows you to leverage your strengths to teach and add value to others. The courses can be shot once in your own time, which others can watch at the time convenient for them. A great aspect of this side hustle is that you don't always need to charge students directly. Platforms like Skillshare, for example, let anyone upload a class without needing an audience upfront. You can get paid based on how long people watch your content. So even if you're starting from scratch, a well-made course can rise through the platform's algorithm based on positive ratings and reviews. Now, this video is not sponsored. I just love Skillshare, so I'm vouching for it. Many people start something new but give up too soon, often because we are wired to expect instant results and rewards. It's how most of us are taught, especially in school where immediate feedback is the norm. However, the mindset of expecting quick success can actually hold you back from reaching your goals. By constantly quitting projects halfway through, you never give them the chance to truly flourish. Some of the income streams I've mentioned rely on passive income, and passive income is far from get rich. It's about putting in the effort upfront so you can enjoy the rewards later. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.